Malnutrition is estimated to contribute to more than one-third of all child deaths. World Health Organization. Child malnutrition is the biggest problem in all nations worldwide. Copenhagen Consensus. Malnourished grown-ups become a liability for family, society, nation and international community. The cost of treating malnourished is 27 times more than the cost for its prevention. Then what is it that stops it from happening? It is the lack of right information on the right time. Normally, malnutrition issues arise after severe casualty or worse situation in some region. Because no preventive measures taken, because of lack of information. All efforts are taken for clinical help rather than prevention. But that does not save the suffered lives. Undernutrition has a complex set of political, economical and social causes. Dr. Richard Horton. We need to understand that recognizing undernutrition is a silent emergency. For this, growth monitoring becomes a focal point. What are the bottlenecks in government domain? Human intervention, not so effective gadgets, human limitations, lengthy process time. Are parents sensitized? All over the world, every government is keen on solving this issue. But the crusade is not goal-oriented. We are aimlessly mobilizing the resources. A successful cycle of malnutrition control starts with flawless data collection. Rajeshri, the People for Growth, brings a small innovation that can bring a large change in growth monitoring data. Electronic Physiogrowth Monitor. Measure, monitor, manage. In measure, we take weight, height. In monitor, we get beneficiary-specific nutritional indicators and child tracking. In manage, we have LMMC, that is Last Mile Monitoring Center. LMMCs generate Growth Monitoring Reports, that is GMR. All growth monitoring reports in turn consolidate into Consolidated Data Report, that is CDR. This CDR is transferred to the government headquarters for further analysis and action. Action is taken in the form of take-home ration, that is THR. This THR is sent to the LMMC for the beneficiaries. In this cycle, EPGM helps to sensitize parents through status indicators and child tracking at the LMMC. Beneficiaries get supportive intervention in the form of THR. Rajeshri Group's Electronic Physiogrowth Monitor. The meaningful, accurate and non-intrusive way to perform growth monitoring at the Last Mile Monitoring Center automatically. Bottlenecks in growth monitoring. Human errors, inaccuracy, delay and limitations. But with EPGM are not a problem anymore. Let's see the process and displays. As the child stands on the EPGM, it captures weight, captures height. Captured data, when placed against the beneficiary's code, displays the beneficiary's personal information like name, surname, gender, and date of birth. And then the growth grades such as weight in kg, height in centimeters, BMI, WHO stunting grade, WHO wasting grade, WHO underweight are displayed against the code and record date. This data gets stored in the non-volatile memory device, that is cartridge, for every individual with personal information, which when connected to data transfer device, that is reader, gets transferred to the PC seamlessly to obtain gender-wise, age-wise, area-wise, nutritional status, and for consolidation at various levels such as district, region, division, state, and headquarter. The generated GMRs at different LNMCs are consolidated into CDR in a specific time frame, which helps recognizing undernutrition. Salient features of EPGM: user-friendly even for semi-literate users, minimum keys to operate, accuracy with minimum human intervention, maximum output with minimum energy, non-intrusive data capturing, processing and transferring, digitized personal information, that is PI, duly aligned with numeric code, child tracking to view previous records of a beneficiary, zonal indicators for visual alerts, parent counseling to know the status of their ward, international copyright for the software obtained. Rajeshri Group's EPGM is an innovative device to effect automation of preventive measures by ensuring factual, accurate, and timely health data.